Every nurse who does well, every nurse in every hospital or every PHC, they must be recognized for their service. You have been doing immense service to the people of the state of Goa. Many times you must be feeling that it's a thankless job, but definitely you must be getting blessings from the people who you serve. We are doing our best to improve the infrastructure, improve the hygiene, and coming out with different programs, but no program can be complete without your participation. We are also restarting the newborn baby screening shortly. I think today we'll finalize, and in every institutional delivery there will be newborn baby screening that is conducted. And not only that, actually every aspect, when we want to talk about healthcare and take healthcare forward, with the support of the Prime Minister of the country and his initiative and our initiative of the Chief Minister, we have been successful in taking the super speciality project forward. One is getting nursing education, and another thing is creating opportunities for you to get jobs. In the nursing institution, we have, after these two courses, I think the file just came to me the other day, of starting specialized courses for cardiothoracic nursing, for that care, and also for pediatric nursing, having specialized courses. These are two things that I am very passionate about. And this also has a scope, not only for the nurses who get educated within the state of Goa, but has got a tremendous potential worldwide. We have given the contract to a company called Novo Nordisk that has come through a tendering process, and what we want to do is to have a comprehensive MOU with them where they help us in training our nurses at different points of different centers. Same thing with newborn baby screening. Newborn baby screening is not only my program. I started it, now it's become a national program. But in the national program, only 8 parameters are checked. Here we'll be checking around more than 14-15 parameters. So it's a very important program. And you know, in Singapore, your birth certificate is linked to the newborn baby screening. So we have to look at new things. Also, insulin now making free to everybody. And all those things are starting in terms of creating training programs for food clinics everywhere in PHC, CHCs.
गोयचो मेल नर्स सुशांत भाटीकाराक दिल्ली फ्लॉरेन्स नायटिंगेल अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळा. एकूण 35 जाणांक अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळो. गोयचो एकलोच भाटीकार.
ह्या वर्सा आमचो 12 मेक वर्ल्ड नर्सीस डे आसता. सो ताजी म्हाका त्या दरम्यान म्हजी निवड जाल्ली ह्या फ्लोरेन्स नायटिंगेल अवॉर्डाक. आमचे युनियन हेल्थ मिनिस्टर श्री जगत प्रकाश नड्डा हाजे हस्तेन तो म्हाका सन्मान मेळ्ळा. सो हे अवॉर्ड मेळटा की जो नर्सींग फिल्डान नॉर्मल वर्काचे एक्स्ट्रा काम करता, म्हणजे कितें वेगळेपण करता, ताका हो अवॉर्ड मेळटा. सो हे अवॉर्डान 35 लोक आशिल्ले. सो सगळे भारतभर 35 लोक आयिल्ले, आनी तातूंत भितर हांव गोंयचो आशिल्लो एकटोच. हय, आनी हांव गोंयचो पयलो मेल नर्स हे अवॉर्ड घेवपाक.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी आनी चेतन गवस.